One day, a farmer's donkey fell into a well. The animal cried loudly for hours, while the farmer tried to find a way to get him out. Finally, the farmer decided that the donkey was old and the well was already dry and needed to be covered away. It really was not worth pulling the donkey out of the well. He invited all his neighbors to come help. They each grabbed a shovel and began to pile dirt into the well. The donkey realized what was happening and cried horribly loud. Then, to everyone's surprise, he quieted down after a few shovelfuls of dirt. The farmer finally looked into the well and was amazed at what he saw. With each shovelful of dirt, the donkey was doing something incredible. It was shaking off the dirt and stepping on top. Very soon everyone was surprised as the donkey reached the mouth of the well, stepped over the edge and trotted out. Moral: life is going to throw dirt at you. All kinds of dirt. The trick to getting out of the hole is to shake it off and use it. As you get stronger and take more steps up, each problem is a step up. We can get out of the deepest holes if we don't give up.